Hello. Hello. Yeah, comfy. Hello. Welcome. No. Long time no see. Yes. Comfy. Hello. Long time no see. And we'll have to explain this, of course.
Yeah. We were very busy with the work on our boat. So first we did not have time to make the videos, and then we had some health problems. Then friends came. Then
and I was not really in the mood for making a video, and life knows its ups and downs, and we of course as well. So, but now we are back for a new video about working on our boat. We first go to the hairdresser, and then we lift the boat out of the water to work on it, and it's nice that you are back as well and enjoy this new video. One of the reasons I like it to wear my hat is that I don't have to pay attention so much to my hair every day, but right now it's a mess. So I'm going to visit the Tunisian hairdresser. So I have a list in my phone with Arabic words, and here is Kifesh nkul بالعربية. That means how do you say in Arabic, and I want to know how do you say I want to go to a hairdresser in Arabic. So I'm going to ask someone. So Kifesh nkul je voudrais une coiffure.
نقص شعري.
أبهر.
نقص شعري.
جنكوس.
قص شعري. نحجم.
قص.
شعري.
شعري.
ولا نحجم.
So أبهر كوش شعري.
وإلا نحجم.
وإلا وهجم.
فماشي حجام.
فماشي هجام. فماشي هجام. اوكي. عايشك برشا. تسلم. الربي معك. فماشي هجام.
بعد سوق الحوت.
بعد سوق الحوت؟
اي.
It's prayer time. فماشي هجام. World. Like this is it. Salam. So, Marjolein gave me a photo from how it should look like, but I cannot find it right now, so we just take a jump into the deep. Zo, kom zo. Een diepste even. عايشك برشا. بسلامة. Oh, always if I come back, Marjolein says, "Oh, it's much too short, and why didn't you tell him that you want to have it longer?" But it's just really hard, and I'm curious about her reaction. Let's see. How will she react? Makes me at least a few years younger.
hallo.
Hi.
Ach, heb je het weer gedaan? Oh, they shave everything off again. All the time I try to say, Hermen, like, don't let them use this machine because...
My wife is disappointed again. So that's why going to the hairdresser is always a bit disappointing for me. Listen to this.
I think your hair is not too bad. I quite like it.
Oh! So we are in Sfax, the first day, and we have an appointment here with the Mehdi, and he is the one who is going to help us in the coming days.
Mehdi has arrived, so together we go to the captain of the port to make a booking for the crane for tomorrow. Mais ça, c'est le tonnage, je connais, je ne sais pas.
تونس. قداش نمروها قداش؟
مهدي.
نمروا البر.
When this is organized, we go together to the shipyard to reserve a place for our boat.
You're doing the dishes.
Yes.
That's good work. Thank you very
And
much.
in 20 minutes we have to be at the crane with the boat. So we should get ready, I think, and hang the cameras on the right spot and then we go.
Oh, the sound was out.
Niet.
Sorry.
Nee, echt? Echt? You're an annoying man.
So there it is. It doesn't look bad in the first sight, I think. There are a lot of people coming to the boat and help us to stabilize it, so it's a really nice happening. This is the first treatment. We did not do it with high pressure because I don't know, just because. Now we do it with the hand. So we cleaned the boat and we seem to have a few little problems. This and there's water coming out here. So that's probably osmosis, so we need to work a bit on the rudder. Oh, there's coming something from the top.
I didn't feel like walking down again.
Thank you very much. And then we have a problem here. There is bubbles in the paint, and most probably it's only the paint. Someone advised us to take the whole rudder. What is it? To take everything off the rudder and let it dry, and then redo it with all kind of stuff. So that's probably what we are going to do. So I got this machine already on the first day from our neighbor, so we're heavy equipped. And I drilled a hole in the bottom of the rudder, and now it's dripping water. So this means there is quite some water in it, and I'm not sure yet how to get it dry.
It's quite an interesting place, this boatyard. Behind us there are people building a new boat from wood. Like every rib in the structure is taking 1 day, so it's a long job. And in the back of the boatyard there are people building steel boats for the tuna season. The tuna season lasts only 1 month. But still they build huge boats for it, and the people seem to be rich who own these ones, so I don't know how this works. And it's also nice to see the boats coming out of the water, ugly and full of plants and everything, and then going beautifully painted and colorful back into the water. So yeah, it's good. Nice people around, and we enjoy it. This is the last bit. I went all around.
It's very interesting to work in this harbor. There's hardly any sailing boat coming to work, and there were just 8 men standing next to the boat where Marjolein was working, and they were looking at her and discussing about what she was doing. It's really funny.
Yeah, I think for them it was the first time that they saw a woman doing work like this, like sanding and painting and
In the
so-
harbor at least.
in the harbor. Yeah, maybe I don't know, but yeah, it's really funny to see how they respond to it. I think first they found it a bit weird, but after some time they thought, can be quite nice when women start doing this kind of work.
Yeah, then they can drink tea and coffee in the cafe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
But yes, let's get back to work.
So, what is your concern of the day?
Primers and antifouling and yacht paint and waterline paint and layers and sanding and
Oh,
that's all things we have to do. But
sounds like you're lost.
I'm somewhere. So, hi. We decided that we take this part and renew it. It is the most affected part. Like you see bells here in the. So we scratch all the antifouling and the primer away, and yeah, the quality of this paint is still very good. So we only take the affected part and make it nice. So it's a lot of scratching work, and it's the first time we do it. So it's a learning experience as well. Yeah. But this tool is a very good one, a Baco scratcher. Look at this. If you get this paint, and layer for layer you can just remove it. It's really nice, and it stays sharp because I'm already around the whole boat and it's still working. So that's quality. Oh, this is not good.
A lot more hours of scraping are awaiting us, but hopefully it will become beautiful again.
Oh yes, it does.
And the Ramadan is going to start, and that's really interesting to experience in a country like this.
So that's it for this time, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to eat and sleep and enjoy your life.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Ja.
Was dat goed?
Ja, dat was het.